Is everything okay? You seem a bit down.
Hi, Dad. Yeah, I'm just feeling really frustrated and lost lately. I don't know what to do with my life, you know?
I understand, son. It's perfectly normal to feel that way sometimes, especially when you're at a crossroads in life. But remember, you have your whole life ahead of you to figure things out.
Yeah, but it's not that simple. I feel like I'm stuck in a rut, and I can't seem to make any progress no matter what I do.
I hear you, son, but maybe you're putting too much pressure on yourself to have everything figured out right now. Sometimes, it's okay not to have all the answers.
But Dad, I'm tired of feeling lost and confused all the time. I want to find my passion and pursue a career that I love, but I don't even know where to start.
I get it, son, but maybe instead of focusing solely on finding the perfect career right away, you could try exploring different interests and hobbies. Sometimes, the best way to discover your passion is by trying new things and seeing what resonates with you.
Really? But what if I waste my time exploring different options and end up right back where I started?
That's a valid concern, son. But think of it this way, every experience, whether it's a success or a failure, teaches you something valuable. And who knows, you might discover a hidden talent or passion along the way that you never knew you had.
I guess that makes sense. But what about making a living? How am I supposed to support myself if I'm not focused on getting a job?
It's important to be practical, son, but it's also important to prioritize your happiness and fulfillment. Instead of just focusing on getting any job to make ends meet, why not focus on honing your skills and becoming the best version of yourself?
But Dad, I don't even know what my skills are or what I'm good at.
That's where exploration comes in, son. Take the time to try new things and push yourself out of your comfort zone. You might surprise yourself with what you're capable of.
Okay, I'll give it a try. But I'm still worried about disappointing you and Mom if I don't have a stable career.
Son, your mother and I just want you to be happy and fulfilled in whatever you choose to do with your life. We'll always be proud of you, no matter what path you decide to take.
Thanks, Dad. That means a lot to me.
Of course, son. Just remember to trust yourself and have faith in your abilities. You're capable of achieving great things, and we'll be here to support you every step of the way.
Thanks, Dad. I feel a little better already.
Anitime, son.
Now, why don't we go grab some ice cream and talk more about your interests and passions? Who knows? Maybe we'll stumble upon your dream career over a scoop of Rocky Road.
That sounds like a plan, Dad. Thanks for always being there for me.
Always, son. Let's go make some memories together.